Thank you very much. It was pretty cool to see that we had some snow falling out there this morning into the afternoon, where temperatures were cooler in the western portions of the state. But for most of us, we did deal with rain. But before we talk about weather, we're going to talk about tonight's weather that is brought to you by Paramount Paving, providing outstanding paving and seal coating services to eastern and central Maine. When it comes to paving, they are Paramount. All right, as we see out there for highs today, well below average, right? So almost, or actually over 20 degrees below average here in Bangor. Our average is at 68. 46 degrees for that high today. Even cooler temperatures. You see Greenville at 43. Some of us possibly hanging out in the 30s in the western portion of the state. We actually had a record broken for the lowest high temperature all the way up in Caribou for today, which is just near Presque Isle. They recorded a high of 45 degrees, and the record before that for the lowest high temperature was at 47. So future temperatures for tonight, we're going to see the lows right around the low 40s here in Bangor, low to mid 40s along your coastline into Portland, but you do have some 30s hanging out there with chances for snow once again tonight. 39 in Millinocket, 34 in Clayton Lake, where you have that best chance for snow, and Caribou right around 39. As we go into tomorrow, temperatures will not get much better, but they should be a little better than they were for today. Expect low 50s possibly here in Bangor, and that's going to exist down in the Portland as well, wherever you see these little bit of a yellow colors. But north of that, not going to do much better, right? We're going to hang out in those low to mid 40s for Millinocket and Monson, and then Clayton Lake possibly only in the 30s for highs going into tomorrow afternoon. The average high at 68, right? Still well below that for tomorrow with a high of 51, but 55 for Sunday, and we're back near average for Memorial Day. We will have nice weather for the holiday, and Tuesday, Wednesday, and the Thursday, it gets even better, right? You better be outside because temperatures then will be in the mid to upper 70s. That doesn't continue into next week on Friday as well with the high of 73 degrees. It was very windy to start off your morning, though, with this nor'easter passing through. 54 miles per hour recorded in Frenchboro for today, 45 in Roque Bluffs, 43 in Eastport, 40 in Cranberry Isle. In Acadia National Park, you saw 38 mile per hour gusts, and then just near the coastline, Bar Harbor as well, 36 miles per hour. Lots of wind out there to start off our day, but we're doing better now, and the winds going into tomorrow morning are going to be pretty calm out there as well. You can see gusts near 10 miles per hour, but that's a lot better than we started off with for this morning. There could be a breeze on the western side of the state. You can see gusts near 20 miles per hour in Dixfield, but everyone else going to be right around 5 to 10 miles per hour going into your Saturday afternoon. But some of us can be dealing with some snow again overnight into tomorrow morning when temperatures cool off. That's going to be, west of Presque Isle. This area in the northern portion of the state has that possibility of a little bit more snow going into tomorrow morning, while here down near 7:30 in the morning, your coastline is going to get some more rain, possibly here in Bangor as well, in between here in Millinocket, and that's going to continue into your afternoon, right? Lots of rain along your coastline. As we get into the afternoon hours, we're going to get more of those northwesterly winds, and you can see a few more showers scattered here in Bangor for tomorrow afternoon. That will continue into your Sunday morning, but Sunday afternoon, we should see the skies beginning to clear and a partly cloudy sky out there for us as well, while there could be a few more showers off to the east. For tonight, lows in the low 40s, rain showers out there with areas of dense fog, winds from the west, pretty light, 5 to 10 miles per hour. And as we get to tomorrow, highs in the low 50s, rain showers still out there scattered, patchy fog early on with winds still pretty light from the west. Extended forecast does show a slight rain chance for your Sunday, highs in mid 50s. For Memorial Day, mostly sunny and highs in the upper 60s. It gets even better Tuesday and the Wednesday, highs in the mid to upper 70s. Devin?